Okay guys, here is a video starting in the laundry room, plan view, your island, which I've got 70 inches long, and we have 42 inches all the way around. The bench seat shown here, come on computer, catch up. Bench seat, probably do a wood top with panels that came down, and I'll get to elevation view here in a minute so we can see how high this is. But these base cabinets are deeper than the upper. The face of the island here with paneling on the back. The fridge, which is enclosed, doesn't have to be. I think 48 inches of closet rod in between here. Lazy Susan in the corner. Drawer stack to the right of the washer and dryer. Sink, drawer stack, and uppers. This is the elevation view of the island. Elevation view of the bench seat. This red line represents 36 inches. So obviously it's going to be close to the bottom. The bottom of this is at 60. We can of course make this taller. The vanity off the garage, 12 inch off the floor, 42 inches wide. Kitchen, ten-foot island, sink in the middle, paneling on the back, 36-inch range, your refrigerator, spice pull-out, tray divider. This hood is centered on the ducting, and if we can, I'd like to there's a channel or a tube, if you can work on how large that is to see if we can move the hood to the left a little bit so I can have these two upper cabinets the same width. Right now I've got 6 inches in between the hood and the cabinet, and there's about only 4 inches off the window, but it'd look better if these two uppers were the same width. But right now, this hood, which is an appliance hood, not a wood hood, is centered up with the ducting. Over here, these upper cabinets go all the way to the ceiling, so they're quite a bit taller since you have the soffit on this side. Break it up with some upper doors. Let's look at an elevation view. Yeah, this one's 28, and this one's 30 and 11. You just need to shift this over a couple inches. The desk area. So you have 32 and 3/8 in the middle for knee space. The top of this would be at 30, so it's lower than the kitchen countertops. And these are very tall, 61 and a quarter tall. The bottom's at 56, which is our standard. Front of the island, sink, dishwasher, trash. Okay, that's it for the kitchen. Entertainment center. Drawers underneath, glass doors. I've got these guys at 108 inches tall. The bottom of the walkway on this side is at 120. Dang it. Yeah, this is under the walkway. So the walkway would be here. We'd have about 12 inches of space. Might change this to a single door. Linen cabinets in the hallway, pretty straightforward. Quite a bit of storage in there. So there'd be a soffit piece at the header above that opening. And these guys are 20 inches deep. Coffee station at the end of the hall. Sink on the left, drawer stack, and an upper cabinet. Hall vanity, floating. This one's 16 high. You need to make sure that works with the plumbing. The sink in the middle, drawer stacks on either side. Guest vanity. Linen cabinet. Sink, drawer stack in the middle, and this works with the plumbing, of course. Whoops. And I'll email you all of these elevation views, this being an elevation view for you to look at. As upstairs area, this one's off the wall quite a bit because of an outlet here. Master bath. Linen cabinet, sink in the middle, sink in the middle. And this represents, this is not in the bid, but if you want, we do these often, just a 12-inch deep cabinet above the toilet. And last, the master closet. Only thing not noted here is the laundry chute. Shoe cabs here. Full height storage, these are 24 deep. Doors with adjustable shelving behind it. Other side's the same thing. All these drawers across here. Someplace, obviously, we've got that laundry chute, so we'll have to modify one of these cabinets. And your island. And there's plenty of walkway space around. I believe we've got 48 here, 42 this way, and this pretty much lines up with this wall across. Let's see, come from the back to the front of those, yeah, 41.5. And these shoe cabs, I mean, there's quite a bit of storage. These are all adjustable, of course. 46 wide. It ends about 19.5 off this left side. And they're 13 deep, so you'll have about 12 inches of space from the front of the shelf to the back of the cabinet. And that's our height here, which should work. But print these out, look them over, mark them up, and let me know what we need to adjust. Thanks, guys.